Hi, I'm Peter Hoover, lead consultant at Appleseed EQ. My mission is to assist people grow and develop emotional intelligence to be more effective, connected, and joyful. Because I come from a teaching background, I go first and foremost to K-12 staff. My vision is to see energized educators empowering students and uplifting communities. Teachers are stressed right now, more than ever before. What to do? 2 steps. First, resilience. So many people struggle to regulate their emotions. If they get triggered first thing in the morning, they're draining their energy all day long. I'm going to use HeartMath's resilience program to teach you how to reset and how to build resilience so you can manage your emotions. Second, I'm going to teach you how to build community. We're going to use 6 seconds emotional intelligence assessments to see where everybody's at. Then we're going to use your school's vision and SEL benchmarks to see where you want to go. Finally, we're going to learn how to apply emotional intelligence so you can see how to get there. So that's a little bit about me, what I do. I offer professional development and one-on-one mentoring. Please reach out for more information. Thank you.